The term Palestinian Territories has been used for many years to describe the territories occupied by Israel since 1967, namely the West Bank and the Gaza Strip. More recently, the official United Nations terminology has been used, Occupied Palestinian Territory, increasingly replacing other terms since 1999. The European Union also has adopted this usage. The term Occupied Palestinian Territory was used by the UN and other international organizations between October 1999 and December 2012 to refer to areas controlled by the Palestinian National Authority. The EU had utilized a parallel term, Palestinian Authority territories, occasionally during the same period. The International Court of Justice referred to the West Bank, including East Jerusalem, as the Occupied Palestinian Territory, and this term was used as the legal definition by the ICJ in the ruling in July 2004. The Gaza Strip and the West Bank had been occupied by Egypt and Jordan, respectively, since the 1948 war until 1967. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.